Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC and, well, pretty much happy Finch Friday. As you guys know, the Roadrunner, the button lock Roadrunner, came out, it's probably been a couple weeks ago at this point. And the guys from Finch were very, very nice to send out this guy, the green micarta. And of course, once they dropped, I went to my dealer. Yeah, Austin over at Traditiaonal Pocket Knives, and picked up the other two versions. Of course, we have, what do we got here? We got the Street Heat carbon fiber, and we have the Honey Ridge tan bone. So these both just came in. We're going to take a look at them. And of course, thanks to you guys, I was able to pick up a couple more Finches for giveaway, especially, where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, yeah. The one you chose, of course, you have a Honey Ridge tan bone, but I was able, thanks to you guys and using those links at TPK, I picked up a Street Heat as well for giveaway. And then, of course, we had to throw in a Ghost Green Finch. So those will all be, I give away Finches on SKL. Those three are all going to go in. But let's check out what we have here. Let's look at the Street Heat first. We're going to check that one out first. Just kind of a quick take a look at. Like I said, these have just come in. It took me a little while to I tell you what, though, I was lucky when I went into, of course, you get all the good stuff, the Roadrunner, the stickers. When I got to TPK, I ordered these, they released on Friday. I ordered them on Saturday. I got the last of the Honey Ridge that he had. It said one left. So, man, I snagged it up. So, you guys wanted one, so I ended up going to Finch and grabbing another one. So, there we go. This is the Street Heat. Now, it's not quite red, white, and blue. It's more like cream, white, and blue on this one. Again, 154 cm. Button lock, let's check. Good detent, or detent-ish. Flicks very nice. Yeah, very nice. Leaves a not quite drop shutty. Maybe needs a little bit of juice. But oh yeah, nice flick. Button. There's no stick on that button. Very nice. Now, again, like I said before on the other ones, 154 cm going on there. Yeah, there's no stick, man. That is all spring pressure. Now, the one thing, pardon me, I did kind of want to point out, and because I had a comment about blade to handle ratio on this one. And from looking at it this way, it does kind of give you a little bit of that offset. It looks like, the blade to handle ratio might be a little bit off. But I think that's because it comes down to such a point. Because if you look, I mean, we're not lacking a whole lot. I mean, I'm not sure they could even ink out. I mean, they could probably get another 1/16 of an inch out of that blade. But that's probably about it. I mean, maybe, an 1/8 would be pushing it. And I mean, obviously, I'm kind of sort of forcing my finger in there. But yeah, I don't really think the blade to handle ratio is off as much as it looks like when it's open. It's done pretty well, in my opinion. And of course, we can see the centering on this one looks pretty dang good. Absolutely. Transitions are nice. Done very well. I don't know. What do you think about the Street Heat? Let me know down in the comments. I think it would look a little bit better if it was just that, more white than the cream. But hey, it is. It's all good. I've got them. And now let's look at this guy. This is the one I was really interested in checking out. Because, it's got that sort of bourbon bone look to it. And, that's kind of a big thing right now. And, oh, we've got a lot of You can see kind of, you know, how the bone takes that die. Very cool. Got a kind of a little swirl there. That looks pretty cool. Again, transitions are done very well. Centering looks to be pretty on point. Absolutely. Yeah, transitions are done very well. Let's check the flick on this one. Not bad. A little bit lighter than the other. Oh, there we go. No, that's not bad at all. Again, let's see the button. Yeah, there's 0 stick, and I'm pretty sure that was the way. Yeah, these button locks are done very well. There's no stick whatsoever. Like I said, they're not super droppy. Okay, you got to give it a little wrist. Now, again, you could probably adjust that, maybe oil it, clean it up a little bit, and you'll get that drop shuttiness if that's really what you want. Either way, it doesn't really bother me. Now, see, that one's got a drop to it. Yeah, there you go. That one's got a drop, which is good. I'm okay with that. I'm also okay with not every knife being super drop shutty. It kind of saves my... With the button lock, it's not that bad. You know? But like with a liner lock or a frame lock, you know, your finger in the cutting path, yeah, every once in a while, super drop shutty is not... It's okay. It's okay. I'm okay with it. I don't know. You may be, you may not be. It's okay. It's all good. It's all in what we like. But I really, really like that. I like the kind of the different shades of how it took the die. Very cool. Very cool. So there's the Honey Ridge and the Street Heat. And then, of course, and I always what did they call? Hang on one second. I always forget what this one is called for whatever reason. This green micarta. I'm looking for the box. All right. I'm not going to look for the box. I got way too many Finch boxes over there. The green micarta. We'll do that for now. It's not jungleware. Oh, anyhow. It's great getting old. Beats the alternative, though. Absolutely beats the alternative. But there you go. There are the 3 new button lock Roadrunners from Finch. Now, like I said before, the Honey Ridge, that sold out pretty quickly. I mean, I don't know how many he had. Okay. You know, he may only had half a dozen of them. I don't know. I don't know what his allocation was. So I do know that they still are available at the Finch website. You know, feel free to check your favorite retailers if you're looking for one of those, or as always, you can get it directly from Finch. Just remember, though, they are doing the sale, the 20% off sale. I believe that might still be going, maybe, it might have been through yesterday, though. Check the sites, guys. Check your favorite retailers. I know they were doing 20% off 2024 and earlier models. Go check them out. 20% off. Get you a really nice knife for a really good price. Now these are going for $149, I believe. Ooh, yeah, there's that memory thing again. Yeah, I believe they're going for $149. So not bad at all for these. Not bad at all. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. What one kind of catches your eye. As always, I greatly appreciate... Well, Austin, I got to show you this too. I mean, Austin is always fantastic. I ordered these, and he threw in a whole bunch of goodies for the, you know... He knows I buy these Finches. Because like I said, I've got these 3. These 3. I got a Street Heat, a Honey Ridge, and a Ghost Green Flint to give away on SKL. And he knows I do that. I mean, we talk, and he just loads us up as giveaway stuff. So Austin is awesome. Thank you so much as always, my friend. And thank you guys for stopping by and seeing what came in on Finch Friday. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, guys. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.